Decode Design Masters, a signature micro-series featuring thought leaders and brands that represent the best in architecture and interiors design. We all know that design is about personal style, and ICA helps architects work it into spaces that they design. Their range of exquisite Italian wood finishes make it the preferred choice for leading designers and decor brands across the world. At ICA, good taste shows.
When we look at projects as a studio, we always try to understand the personality of the end user. I think for us, it's imperative to be able to understand the functional aspect of how the project is going to work, the kind of natural light we have, the inherent strengths that we already have in an existing project. This project is very close to my heart. It's a project that we did for an actor, and it's her production house. The reason this project is very close to our heart is because she's very fearless in the way she looks at design, and there's this certain balance that we have tried to create while going feminine and yet trying to retain the masculinity of what the project demanded. And we've tried to do that with textures, we've tried to do that with different wall finishes and the play of color. The reason that we are very excited about this project is because it's unlike any other film production house or perception of what a production house should be. We actually have gone completely vintage, paneled walls, playing with European soft English color shades. Knowing that it's a female actor and yet not going into a feminine zone, which I think was fantastic, very a different experience even for us. That's a lot to do with the client itself. Again, when you actually look at the use of no film posters, no art other than typo, and the typo being a bit more spiritual or a bit more philosophy, which is what you will see throughout the entire space. This project is a completely eclectic journey that we created for the clients. House by the Sea, they are avid art collectors, they love traveling, and they were very clear that they wanted a very world-traveled kind of a home. This home is about natural materials, textures, colors, and basically celebrating life. If you look at the entrance, we went a bit overboard. We went completely wild. We have our exposed brick walls, which were painted in a magenta, fuchsia kind of a gradation shade. The door, which had a slightly more Moroccan feel, was in a jade green, and then we had these perforated jali lights which were completely dancing with shadows by evening.
As we all see design and space differently, which brings out the artistic facet of us.
ICA's Creative range is inspired by nature, texture, and is reminiscent of daily objects. We are able to achieve finishes like stainless steel, cotton, cement, and marble on various wooden surfaces.
We love designing bars. We love the fact that bars are a melting point for fun, conversations, drinks, getting drunk. And I think the ambiance really lends to that. I think when you enter a space, it's the first vibe. It's about the energy of the space that kind of makes it or breaks it. The project I'm going to talk about is FC Social in Pune. It's one of the largest bars, outdoor, indoor, that we did for social. It's a great fun space. Firstly, the location was a big advantage because it's the college city and we were right in the thick of it. I think intentionally we said, let's go down the entire garden route. We went completely green turf carpeting, so as if you've entered into a garden space. Again, over here, what I love is the fact that the client let us explore only natural materials. So our floor is actually basalt black stone broken up. The entire space is divided into a chat. So a chat being in earlier homes, especially North India, people escaped to their small terraces, and terraces were joined with terraces, creating a chat culture. all of the spaces open into this complete garden area where we've used turf, and we've got even the benches which are wrapped within the turf green itself that we've used. So it's transformation. You're in the middle of a concrete city, but you're in a garden, and that's why Dil Garden Garden kehta hai.
What's so great about design is that it's individualistic and extremely personal, and the grammar of this language is peppered by patterns, colors, textures, materials, and of course finishes. So you can experiment with a whole variety of these and combine them to build your home.
This is a home that is a dream project simply because of the travel that was involved in it. To travel to the hills, to a place like Himachal Pradesh is, I think, any designer's dream project. Of course, we also had a client who let us do whatever we felt like doing because we shared the vision equally together. The reason this place turned out so different is because she wanted an international chalet in the hills. Of course, when we started our R&D in Manali, we realized that there was no material available. There was nothing available of the level that was envisaged by the client herself. What makes this home extremely special is because a lot of the materials and textures that have been used have been old recycled timbers, have been a play of modernity with vintage. A lot of art, a lot of collectibles. So basically an extremely personalized space.
The possibilities are limitless with the Creatova range. It adds uniqueness and free-reigning imagination.
Design is so much more than just creating good-looking spaces. Design is about how that space makes you feel. Design is about how you function in a certain space. Design is about creating moods. And have you ever wondered why you feel calm in a certain space or why you feel happy in a certain space? I think it's so much to do with the space, the finishes, the textures, the surfaces, the colors, the lighting, and all of that goes on to create a space that makes you feel the way it does. And I think that's what design is all about.
There are a number of elements that make up a corner, a room, and ultimately a home. Form follows function, and bringing personal taste into this mix is a great way to create a unique home. For surfaces to cater to their discerning users, it's important for the surface to reflect their taste and deliver on their needs while meeting its true functional goal.
Our tastes evolve with us. To transform a house into a home is a matter of personal choice, and the right surface finishes can do the job for you. In fact, they are the perfect way to convert your space into your own unique canvas.